My name is Arkham, and I'm the founder and CEO of Proto 3D Printing LLC. We are the leading 3D printing company in the MENA region, and we provide 3D printing services across the different industries, and we are in the business past 5 years. The reason why I got into large format is the idea of going to the future. Future is a large-scale manufacturing, and 3D printing has always been limited to small size, small scale. But with the help of LFAM system, you can go to a scale sizes which were not possible before, and also it allows you to be more open and independent of the previous limitations of printing, which is usually the non-planar printing. And it opened doors to you for the more industrial materials, which are not really easy and common in other technologies of 3D printing. So all of these together realize that an LFAM system will add a lot of input and a lot of value to our end customers in the local market. Working with Caracol, you get to expose to the experienced team, which help you on the way to learn from and also support enough so that you can produce and get the system on board. Of course, the system is very complex, very different than the rest of 3D printing technologies, but their support in terms of software, material knowledge, and the system itself helps a lot to understand the technology, and you can go crazy and be dependent on what you can produce out of it. So with the Heron from Caracol, we have been able to do a lot of wide range of applications. We try to develop different type of projects and models. We have done art and interior all the way to defense industry. We have done some parts for automotive. We have done some parts for composite manufacturing molds. And it depends on particularly what's the motive, what's the goal of a company. As in Proto 21, we never focus on particular industry. Our vision is more towards a capability and capacity of additive manufacturing. So we want to see what a technology can produce and what applications are possible out there. So far, LFAM system has been successful in most of the variety of different applications and industries we have worked with. We have done bases with it, we have done car parts with it, we've done molds for it. It works out very well. For the future, robots and 3D printing is going to change the world. So it's already doing. So you've heard a lot of concrete manufacturing is using robotic arms now. We're doing some composite materials which were never possible before. Like imagine when you go to the Mars, you cannot carry the materials they were before in pallets, and the robots can produce societies. Robots can produce more local requirements that we come across. I mean, it's also always fascinating with working with robots. It holds the future. It can help in a lot of different places. As a child, when I used to see Tesla factory, I used to see robots manufacturing vehicles. Since then, I was interested in robots, and I found Caracol, and I realized it would be nice to have it in the factory and see it every day and be inspired. So, and it is doing wonders already. So we have cut down a lot of work hours time. It can produce large structure in one piece, ready to finish right away. We don't have the semblance. So it is more precise, it is more strong, it delivers what it promises. It holds a very, very promising future.